Unlock the deals. Understanding everything on sale. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase you've likely seen splashed across store windows or online banners: everything on sale. It's a phrase that can spark joy in shoppers but might confuse English language learners. So, let's break it down together and ensure you can shop with confidence, understanding exactly what this phrase means. When a store announces that everything on sale, it means every item in the store is being offered at a reduced price. This is a marketing strategy used by retailers to attract customers, clear out inventory, or celebrate a special event like an anniversary or a holiday. The key takeaway here is that the sale applies to all items available in the store or on the website, not just a selected few. Understanding the context is crucial. Sales can happen during specific seasons, like after Christmas or during Black Friday, when retailers offer significant discounts. Sometimes, a sale like this could indicate the store is closing down or renovating. It's always a good idea to ask or research why the sale is happening to gauge the best deals. Not all sales are created equal. When you see everything on sale, look for the fine print or additional signs that might specify the percentage off, how much discount you're getting, like 20%, 50%, etc. Exceptions. Sometimes, a sign will say everything, but small print might exclude certain items. Duration. How long the sale will last, so you know how much time you have to shop. 1. Make a list. Know what you need to avoid impulse buys. 2. Research prices beforehand. Ensure the sale is genuinely offering a good deal. 3. Ask staff for help. They can clarify what's on sale and any exceptions. We hope this explainer has demystified the phrase, everything on sale, for you. Sales can be exciting, but understanding the details ensures you make the most out of your shopping experience. Remember, the joy is not just in finding a bargain but in learning and understanding the language around you. Happy shopping and learning! See you in our next video.